Hey, welcome to this explainer. Today, we're literally making the invisible visible by reading raw network traffic together.
Think about it. Who's watching your data? Every single click creates a massive unseen ocean of traffic.
Enter Wireshark. It's basically your ultimate pair of X-ray glasses for deep network analysis and troubleshooting.
Like an apex predator, it catches the exact data packets you need to figure out hidden network behaviors.
All right, let's dive in. Open the app, select your interface, and just click that blue shark fin.
Got enough data? Just hit the red square to instantly stop that torrential flow of traffic.
Now, filtering is absolutely crucial here. We gotta distill this massive ocean of noise into actionable drops.
By typing simple commands like an IP or protocol, you instantly filter traffic to exactly what you want.
Want to dig deeper? Right-click a packet and follow the TCP stream to reconstruct a specific conversation.
This beautifully reveals the complete back-and-forth dialogue. It's literally like reading a full transcript of web requests.
Try capturing traffic to spot unencrypted passwords, or literally watch how websites secretly resolve their domain names.
Prefer the terminal? Well, tcpdump is your powerful, text-only alternative for capturing all this data.
Build those terminal skills quickly. Use tcpdump to write packets to files or filter directly by port.
So, here's a challenge. Open Wireshark right now and capture exactly 60 seconds of your own traffic. What surprising invisible secrets are flowing through your own network right this very second? Go find out.